Hello my people, have you been wondering how you can make your own chicken bouillon cubes? Worry no more, this is all natural. No addictive, no preservative, no nonsense inside, no MSG, all natural, and this can take your cooking to another level. Here I'm using chicken breast, garlic and onion, and I added bell peppers and leeks and celery, spring onion and coriander leaf. So I'll be slicing them into tiny pieces to put them inside my pot. So this is another easy recipe. You can make your own bouillon cube with no nonsense inside. At least you're sure of what is going inside your body. If you can do it, why do you need to buy? At least make your own and you are sure of what is going inside your body. So I'll be slicing the whole vegetable inside. I added only half cup of water. I added my peppercorn, black peppercorn and salt. And I'll cover it and let it simmer. So this leaf part, I will leave it during the blending time to add it. So I now added my carrots. So you can see it's already boiling. I just need to stir them and then cover it one more time just for 2 minutes. You can see. Now I'll off the heat because I don't need it to overcook. You can see my chicken breast is ready. Everything is ready for blending. So at this time your heat must be off, and now you put it on your blender. As you're blending, try not to add the broth from the chicken, from the vegetable. Just you can add little but not all, because you don't want your bouillon cube to be watering. So I added the leaf now and I'll blend it. So if today is your first time seeing my video, you're highly welcome. Thank you so much for coming along, watching my video. Please remember to subscribe if you have not done so. Subscribe, like my video, comment, and please share so that others will see. You can see I have blended the first batch, and this water I will throw it away because I don't need it anymore. So this is the second part I'm blending. So I'm done blending. Now I have to cook it for another 3 to 5 minutes in order to thicken up, because I'll be adding the cornstarch. Here I added half cup of cornstarch in order to thicken it up. So in that process I have to cook it like for 5 minutes. This is after 5 minutes. As you can see, it's very thick now. So now I'm using this silicone mold for my cubes. Feel free to use any one that works for you. So I'll spread it on. So you can see in this, making this chicken bouillon cube, you can see there's no artificial coloring inside, there's no addictive, there's no preservative, all natural. so at least you're sure of what you're eating. And the aroma that comes out from this seasoning is something else. It smells so good. You can see I'm done putting them into the silicone mold. Now I'll be freezing it overnight. So I'll cover it with my tin foil and then put it inside my freezer. Make sure you put it inside freezer, not fridge, freezer, and let it freeze overnight. So this is after it has freezed. So you can see it's ready. So you can use it now to cook anything you want to cook. This is good to go. If you try it, I don't think you will still rely on the store-bought one. You will love to make your own. So remember to like this video. Please like it, comment, and please share. It will not cost you anything. Just like, comment, and please share. It has a way of encouraging me on this journey, okay? So you can see it's ready. And this time, you can choose to package it one by one with parchment paper, but that will take a lot of work. So I have to bring all of them out from the silicone mold, and then I will do general packaging for it. Yes, it came out so well. Hope you get to try this recipe. This is very easy. If you can make yours, why do you need to buy? Why don't you give it a try and see for yourself? And then that will convince you to start making your own seasoning cube for yourself. So now I'll be packaging it with my Ziploc bag. So as you package it, make sure you put it back inside the freezer. That will retain it as long as it's in the freezer. It's good to go. There's no expiration. Make sure you freeze it and use it as you want. You can see I will then put it on my freezer. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.